Everyone. Hope everything works well, and I am also fine. Once again, Bhavna Desai, your science teacher, is with you with the lesson number 2. Last we have learned or we have studied about desert, that how that in the desert climate is there, regarding plants, how it looks. Now we will move on to grassland. Grassland, the word itself proves that area is mainly covered by long and thick grass. Children, grassland means the totally region, पूरा एरिया जहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी घास उगती है, for that particular place we call grassland. The temperate grassland climate is hot summer and cold winter. In the temperate grassland, वहाँ की सीज़न गर्मी में एकदम हॉट होता है एंड समर विंटर इट इज़ कोल्ड. Sometime there is rainfall and generally it goes without rainfall as called drought. And the rain is very scant. Sometimes there is a rainfall and sometimes there is no rainfall. And the time when there is a no rainfall, the area is totally drought. Drought means सूखा पड़ना. When there is no rainfall, there will be a drought. Without water, they have to survive. The main grassland of the world are prairies, savanna and steppe. Again I am repeating, the three main grassland of the world are prairies, savanna and steppe. Root of prairies grass grows deep into the ground to absorb as much as water they can. Means the prairies roots are go so deep in the ground in search of water. उनकी जो रूट सिस्टम होती है वो ग्राउंड के अंदर बहुत ही अंदर अंदर जाती है टू फाइंड आउट द वाटर, वेयर इज वाटर. ड्यू टू एक्सटेंड डीप रूट सिस्टम it stopped grazing animals pulling roots out of the ground. इनकी रूट्स इतनी अंदर होती है कि ग्रेजिंग एनिमल्स मतलब जो एनिमल्स घास खाने के लिए चरने के लिए जाते हैं तो उनके लिए वो पुल करना या खींच के निकालना, बिकॉज द रूट्स आर सो डीप सो इट वोंट कम आउट. द ग्रोथ ऑफ ग्रास is near their base and not from the tip, and due to that grazing animals cannot damage the grass and save from fire. As I told you, because the roots are very deep and the grass grow near by the ground level. ग्रास जो उगती है वो ग्राउंड लेवल पे उगती है, वो ऊपर के साइड ज़्यादा नहीं उगती है. सो इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर ग्रेजिंग एनिमल्स टू पुल. अगर वो खाते भी हैं तो पूरा नहीं निकाल सकते हैं, बिकॉज द रूट्स आर वेरी 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 डीप इन द ग्राउंड. स्टॉप स्टेम्स enable prairie grasses to bend in the wind, and the stem of the prairies are very soft. Due to that, during the heavy wind it won't bend. वो झुकती नहीं है, अगर ज़्यादा विंड होती है तो भी वो झुक नहीं जाती है. Trees that grow in grassland are flat shaped or umbrella shaped in order to stand firmly during the heavy rain. The shape of the tree in the grassland is just like umbrella. Umbrella कैसी होती है? हम देखते हैं कि सी शेप जैसी होती है umbrella, and the downstairs there is a holder or hold. The same way in the grassland, the trees are in the shape of umbrella and it stand firmly, मतलब एकदम tightly वो heavy rainfall में भी stand by कर सकते हैं, गिर नहीं जाते हैं. Now we will move on to hilly regions. Hilly regions generally are rocky and dry. Water generally found as flowing streams. Plants grow in this region are conical and evergreen. You will find climbers covering huge tree, that is pine. Hilly region, if you'll imagine the hilly region, you will find that the totally area is rocky, पत्थरों से बना होता है, and totally dry. Generally waterfalls, there are small waterfall, in that only you will find water. And in this region the plants are in conical shape. Conical means आप लोग आइसक्रीम कॉर्न खाते हो तो शेप आपको पता है. In that shape you will find the trees and they are evergreen. मतलब वो कभी dry होते ही नहीं है. Every time it is green. And for that example is pine tree. The shape of trees in mountain region are cone shaped and the branches are slopy. Again I am repeating, the shape of the trees in the mountain region are cone shaped and the branches are slopy. This shape of mountain trees make the rainwater and snow slide or move off easily without harming the leaves and branches. Children, why mountains they have the trees, the shape of the trees in the cone shape? Because at the time of heavy rainfall, the shape of the trees, from the top it is pointed and the bottom it is broad. So once if there is a heavy rainfall, अगर बहुत ही बारिश और snowfall ज़्यादा होती है तो it will slip down, वो नीचे गिर जाएगा, वो वहाँ पे लीव्स पे या ट्री पे स्टॉप नहीं होता है. सो देयर विल बी अ वेरी लेस डैमेज फॉर द ट्री. दैट्स वाई हिली रीजन दे हैव कॉर्न शेप ट्रीज. Small needle-like leaves stop the loss of water in windy days. It also helps the mountain trees to survive in winter when the water gets frozen and is not available to the roots. Again I am repeating about the leaves, how the leaves of the tree look. Small needle-like leaves stop the loss of water in windy days. Means जब वहाँ पे तेज एकदम हवा होती है तो वो टाइम पे लीव्स वाटर को स्टॉप कर देती है, गिरने से बचा लेती है. It also helps the mountain trees to survive in winter. These leaves are very helpful during the winter season also. क्योंकि when there is a winter, the totally area is frozen. मतलब पूरे एरिया में वहाँ पे icy होता है and the roots they are not getting sufficient water. So this leaves make proper arrangement for the water to roots. Needle-like leaves have a thick waxy layer to reduce the loss of water through transpiration. Again I am repeating, needle-like leaves have a thick waxy layer to reduce the loss of water through transpiration. So children, we saw about the grassland, their root system, how it stops rain or how it covers water, about stems and the shape of the tree in the grassland. Then we move on to the hilly region and we saw how it looks and how it is helpful for the trees. So here I am ending my lesson with this. Next lesson again we will meet. Till then, bye bye, see you.